So, episode 2 of the Stormworks Garage Restoration Factory Husqvarna build. You know, obviously we tested the bike out already at Sellings. We tried some bits out. At the end of that day, we decided that we needed to meet up and do a few more of these days because, you know, Sonny's got so many bits to try and so many different combinations put together, you know, from exhaust, silencers, cylinder heads, carb settings, CDIs, etc, to you know, to try and improve what he's already got. So we improved the bike a little bit on the first video with small changes really, and we decided that we're gonna meet up again and go through some more of his parts that he's got. We decided that day was going to be a 2-stroke only day, which was held up at Fast Tracks. Unfortunately, that day got cancelled because of the bad weather. I was already kind of in that area, so I was up at Rugby, so we decided the next day to go over to Washbrook Farm and had a good day there, you know, just testing the bike out. First of all, Sonny had already kind of made some modifications from the previous day, just adjusted the power valve a little bit, just so the power valves would open up a little bit later. Also as well, he changed the reeds, put some new reeds in his V-Force 2. We changed the suspension a little bit, just firmed it up a little bit just for me, dropped the forks through, adjusted the handlebars and levers to my liking, and you know, went out and tried the bike, and I have to say that the bike felt just as equally as good as it previously did. Then throughout the day we tried a different cylinder head, which was a bigger head volume. The reason why we tried this head was we was chasing horsepower, so we wanted some more mid to top, and with the bigger head volume that allowed the bike to stretch its power out a little bit more, which was good, especially around Washbrook. One of the things that I did notice when I was riding around Washbrook, which I, you know, didn't maybe focus in so much on before, was the factory gear ratio that's in the gearbox. It really complemented that track, and I could really kind of feel that with the speed that you was getting up around Washbrook, just due to the conditions and track layout. So yeah, you know, that was good. It was impressive. So yeah, going back to the parts that we was trying throughout the day, we went with the bigger head volume, which basically allowed us to adjust the carburetor, so we could make some adjustments in there. Also as well, we went and we put some race fuel in, so we had 116 octane with a 50-50 mix of leaded fuel as well, and that really allowed us to tweak the carb. It gave us some wiggle room, and also as well made me feel quite safe as well with that. You know, I wasn't just gonna go out there and ride the bike and, you know, it detonate itself to death. But you know, it turned out to be all good. The bike was good, the connection was good, the bike improved throughout the day. Again, we did hit a stumbling block, however, with a CDI unit. So, you know, Sonny put a different CDI on, which we was going to try. I think it was off the back of me noticing that the switch, the mapping switch, there was a big difference between 1 and 2 from when I first tested the bike. So his thinking was that, you know, he's got a different CDI, let's see what this does. Unfortunately, it didn't do a lot, as we found out when I pushed the bike up to the zone where you can start your bike at Washbrook. You can't start your bikes at the back of your van or side of your van. Sure enough, it didn't start, so we come back down, switched back over to the old CDI, and bike fired up, no problem. So yeah, we was just fine tuning the bike, and these slight changes again, you know, made big improvements out on the track. So it was good. It was good. One of the things that when I say it was good, one of the things that I did notice was maybe this time we had to concentrate a little bit more on the jetting, just because where we were chasing that mid to top, we kind of lost a little bit. We didn't lose the power, but what we did do is we lost that just little bit of connection just coming out of the turns, and we managed to get that back through through fine tuning the carburetor. Again, in true Sonnie style, we know we've got a 125 now to test. Also as well, we're gonna collaborate, so we're gonna do a few more of these videos. We're gonna go up to his place and strip the bike down and kind of see where it's at, explain the parts a little bit more in detail, and also as well explain what we're going to be testing moving forward. We got some good feedback from the first video, so we thought we would carry on bringing you a few more of these types of videos. Also as well, if you are wondering why that YRRD is written on the exhaust, it's because personal joke between me and Sonnie, where I've got a restoration build in hand, let's say, and he's just personal kick from writing that out. Probably felt that I would instantly say it was an improvement on the day. I think what we'll do now moving forward with the bike is maybe just work with the front suspension, just getting a little bit more feel from the front end. And obviously we're gonna carry on trying to run through the list, the big list, should I say, of parts that Sonnie would like to try, and just rule out what works and what doesn't work. Maybe as well we'll try out just some of the other different shaped cylinder heads, different volume sizes, just to give you some feedback, of what we felt out on track, and just interesting to know. All riders are different. Riders require different needs, so it'd be interesting just to see what actually happens to the bike when we do switch these things about. So the next time when you see one of these videos, it will probably be up at Sonnie's garage, and yeah, we'll look forward to doing that. I'm also looking forward to riding his 125. Probably with the UK weather at the minute, it won't be this side of Christmas. So keep an eye out for the upcoming videos, as yeah, we've got a lot of videos and a lot of content to come out. So hopefully you like and subscribe, you like what we do, and just hope you all just have a... Shut up, Dave, you twat.